The fourth member of the Spectator Club is Captain Sentry. After Sir Andrew Freeport, the author has described the merits of Captain Sentry as he writes, next to Sir Andrew in the club room sits Captain Sentry, a gentleman of great courage, good understanding, but invincible modesty. He is very modest person. He is having good understanding, great courage, but is very modest. He is one of those that deserve very well, but are very awkward at putting their talents within the observation of such as should take notice of them. He is one of those people who are deserving very well, who are talented, who deserve very well, but they are not capable in putting their talents in front of those people who can promote them, who should take notice of their talent. So, this type of people remain backward in showing their talents. They are talented, but they are not capable to show their talent to their superiors or their seniors. So, Captain Sentry is also that kind of person who is very deserving, but he is not capable to show his talent in the observation of those people who should take notice of his talent. He was some years a captain and behaved himself with great gallantry in several engagements and at several sieges. So he has shown his courage in several engagements, in several fights, and several sieges, and he behaved with great gallantry, means great bravery. He has shown his bravery. But having small estate of his own and being next heir to Sir Roger, he has quitted a way of life in which no man can rise suitably to his merit. Because he is having his own property, he is having a small estate of his own, and he was also next heir to Sir Roger. That's why he left that life of a soldier. He left that life because he thinks that according to the merit of a person is not capable to rise in that profession. That's why he left, he quitted, who is not something of a courtier as well as a soldier. I have heard him often lament that in a profession where merit is placed in so conspicuous a view, impudence should get the better of modesty. He says, he often laments that this is a profession in which merit is not noticed, merit is placed in so conspicuous a view, and impudent person get the better position than modest person. When he has talked to this purpose, I never heard him make a sore expression whenever he talked about this matter, because he has left that place, his position, because of his modest nature. But whenever he talks about this, he never shows a sore or a bitter expression, but he frankly confesses that he left the world because he was not fit for it. He left that field because he was not fit for it. He confesses this thing. A strict honesty and an even regular behavior are in themselves obstacles to him that must press through crowds who endeavor at the same end with himself the favor of a commander. To get the favor of a commander, there was a great competition, and he had the same obstacles to press through the crowds who endeavor, who is trying to the same time to get the favor of a commander, and the obstacle for Captain Sentry was his honesty, his regular behavior. So in this paragraph we come to know about the character of Captain Sentry, that he is not receiving good position because of his modest behavior. He is capable, he is having ability, he is talented, but he was not capable to show his talents in military life. He will, however, in his way of talk, excuse generals for not disposing according to man's desert or inquiring into it. For, says he even excuses his seniors who did not notice his talent. He says, that great man who has a mind to help me has as many to break through to come to me as I have to come at him. He wants to say that as he is not capable to reach to that person, or he is not capable to show his talent to that person, in the same way the person who is having superior position or the position of a commander, he is also having the same obstacles to reach to him, to notice his capabilities, to notice his talents. Therefore, he will conclude that the man who would make a figure, especially in military way, must get over all false modesty and assist his pattern against the importunity of other pretenders by proper assurance in his own vindication. So he wants to say that if a person wants to make a figure in military life, he should get over all modesty, he should leave modesty. He says it is a civil cowardice to be backward in asserting what you ought to expect, as it is military fear to be slow in attacking when it is your duty. There is a beautiful use of simile. He says it is a civil cowardice. A civilian is coward if he remains backward in showing in telling the things which he ought to expect. It is just like the same if in military a soldier is fighting and he is slow in attacking his enemy when it is his duty to attack, and he remains slow, then it is a cowardice, it is called coward. So in the same way, a civilian is called coward if he remains backward in telling his point of view. With this candor, with this frankness, does the gentleman speak of himself and others. There is a frankness in his speaking. The same frankness runs through all his conversation. The military part of his life has furnished him with many adventures, in the relation of which he is very agreeable to the company, for he is never overbearing, though accustomed to command men in the utmost degree below him, nor even too obsequious from an habit of obeying men highly above him. His nature is balanced. He is not overbearing in commanding the person who are below him, and he is not flattering the person who are above him. So he keeps a balanced behavior with all the person, whether they are senior to him or whether they are junior to him. So this is the character of Captain Sentry. He is very courageous, intelligent, and had good understanding. He is such a man who has not received good consideration of his abilities. He has been captain in military for some years and fought bravely, but he left the army because even though he rendered meritorious service which anyone could see and appreciate, promotion did not come to him.